Welcome back to my channel. As you would have seen from the title already, I'm attempting to make a ring light. I want to do it myself, that's why it's a DIY video, and that is what is on right now. And I'm going to put it off so you can see how it is without the lights. So this is me, total darkness, no ring lights. Voila, my DIY ring light is shaking right now because there's something wrong with the connection. I will take it to the electrician tomorrow to help me fix the cable properly. It pulled out, so I tried to do it myself. That's why the light is shaking, but this is how the light looks like. The only thing with this is you cannot adjust it. You cannot make a filter, you cannot put filters. There's a material I would have used that would have given me a warm filter if I wanted, but I'll just make do with this. I think it's cool, I think it's nice, so yeah, I'm excited. So the next clip you'll be seeing is how I came up with the ring light, so keep on watching. Here's how I'm looking, okay? I just woke up. So the important materials you would need for this is a foil paper. I got this foil paper for 450 naira. The second important thing is the carton. This is the carton of the ring light I got before. That's where I will be cutting off the carton that would support my ring light. The third thing you will need is a LED light. So this is a LED light I'm using. And then lastly, you will need a tape. It's supposed to be a clear tape, but I knew I had tape here at work, but I didn't remember whether it was clear or this one is a bit brown, but no problem, it will not affect anything. Then lastly, you will need razor blade because a scissors cannot do this job for me. So I'm going to be cutting out the pattern I want from this carton. Let's get started. Okay, I think I'll still need a scissors. Let me quickly grab a scissors. I'll be right back.
Finding life along the way, melodies
ring light, guys. The foil paper is so reflective already. It's not perfectly done. If you want it to be perfect, you can use a compass and a pencil to trace out the circle, but mine is not perfect. All I need is just the light, and I left at least a meter of wire so that I can plug it to power when I want to use it. In this village where I am, they've not had lights since I think 4 months now, 4 or 5 months now, if not even more. So we only put on our generator in the night. So when the light comes on in the night, I would plug it on to see how it looks like. I can't wait to see how it looks like, because I've been using this light alone on its own, but to see how reflective this foil is, oh my god. This is the back. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to use tape around it to make sure it's firm and it's not going to be peeling off. You're going to have to buy this plug that you plug to the power separately, and then see, you now attach it to your LED light, and that's what is going to transmit power to your LED light. So yes, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole process. I just woke up in the morning. It was early in the morning. I hadn't even taken my bath. I wasn't feeling so good, and I knew that if I didn't do that ring light then, I wasn't going to do it again. So that is why I decided to just close my eyes and film it. Yeah, I promised to tell you guys how much everything I used cost. The LED light, I bought the ones they use to line the walls. If you go to clubs or some stores or even some houses, you will see these colorful lights on the wall that would just be shining. They have different colors based on the plug. There's some that would be reflecting, there's some that is steady depending on the settings. So I got that one I got the LED light. I bought about 7 meters. I got it for 5,000 naira. And then the plug cost 8,000 naira. Sellotape, you cannot get sellotape pata more than this sellotape I'm using. I've had it for a very long time, but it's not more than 250, 300. And then razor blade is 20 naira. Marker pen for 100 naira, 150 you can get marker pen. And what else did I use again? A scissors, which is something you would always have in your house. So really cheap to get this size of a ring light for this amount. Because of the problem I'm having with the plug, there's one of the lines that is not showing, but it's still something that I can manage, especially if I have worked on my background and everything. It's something I can manage and work on my lighting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till I come you guys again next time, like, share, subscribe.